Welcome back to the Drunken Portuguese. Here we go. This is part 3. Part 1 was chimichurri. Part 2 was salsa. This is part 3. We're going to cook the chorizo. Okay, so I got the grill outside preheating. I've got 2 links because it's just me and my sister that's going to eat it tonight. So we're going to head out there. It's going to take about, what I did is I took a knife and I just pricked it a couple of times to break the casing so that it doesn't, the juices don't expand, and then explode. Okay, so we're going to take it out there, put it on the grill for 20 minutes. So follow me. Come on.
Well, not because it's going to jump all around. Meet you outside. Here we go.
Here we go. You ready? This is exciting. It's hot. Lay them on there. I'll leave it open. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. So what I'll do is I'll give it 10 minutes and then I'll flip it and cook the other side for 10 minutes. Then we're going to butterfly it and char the other side. Okay? So we'll be back in 10 minutes and we'll flip it and get ready.
So make sure you come back when I start this again.
Come back.
Okay. This is the drunken Portuguese sister who's out here because my brother is inside drinking a beer. So I'm going to show you. He just came out and flipped them. See how nice they look? And it looks like he's cooking them on right about medium. So 10 more minutes and we'll meet back here. See you then. Don't go too far. Drunken Portuguese is back and he's checking to see if they're done.
We're cooking, baby. All right.
Let me show him.
Hang on. See how pretty?
Oh, that looks good. Yummy.
They smell good.
And they smell good.
We're gonna cut them and we're gonna butterfly them. So I am going to open them up. Come on. There's one. Ugh. Get them on the grill. Here's the second one. Get out of here. Open them up. Butterfly them. Oop, jeez, juicy. Okay. Now they're butterflied on the grill.
How long?
About another 10 minutes. Close the lid.
Bye. See you in 10.
My show is completely gone. I have no video.
You're on.
I'm on. I'm on, baby. I'm always on. All right. So we butterflied the chorizo. Put it down. That's getting a nice char on it. So we took our baguette and we slit it. And then I slit it again. We're going to just throw it on. Give it a quick toast on the bread while this is still going. Put these on there.
Ooh, that looks good.
They do. All right, give that a nice little cha-cha. 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 It's just so weird because I can't see myself, so I don't know what I'm doing. Pick 'em
I can tell you what you're doing. I can tell you what you're doing.
Yeah, probably nothing good. So my beer's in the house, getting warm. We're out here shooting a video. So then we're gonna bring this in, make the sandwiches. So hang in there. Just gotta keep checking. I don't want to burn my bread. Oh my goodness. Hello.
Are we staying on?
All right. Yeah, that's warmed up enough. Just warmed it up. I'm gonna take the chorizo off. Set this off.
Okay, I'll
Let that
meet
cool
you
down.
inside.
And
Inside.
I'll see you inside. Okay, welcome back. Hey, now I can see you. Hey. Okay. So I toasted the bread a little bit and pick this up just a touch. Okay. Shaking you around. See sick? Okay. So 2 baguettes. Okay. A little chimichurri. A little salsa. Okay. Okay. And then stuff. Right. Chimichurri on one side. Little chimichurri. Chimichurri. How is it? But damn good. Listen, what are you doing? My sister's over there. She's not doing much. A little salsa. A little, not a lot.
Don't put the salsa on mine yet. I want to taste it with
Again, that authentic.
you.
We're going in the chorizo. Hang on. Lid on it. Quick. There you go. There yours.
Is that the small one?
They're all the same size.
No, they're not.
There you go.
It's
What you did.
half inch small.
What you did. That's what she said. It's a half inch smaller. Okay. There we go. Give it a little flat. Not gonna eat it.
Yeah. Not in front of the camera though.
Going in. Oh my God. Can't see you over there. My sister's throwing a 2 thumbs up. Oh, it's good. Got a little heat to it. I like it. Woo.
I like to eat it hot, but then my stomach.
Oh, it's really good. Choripan Sandwiches from Argentina. My friend asked for it. She didn't ask for it. She said, you gotta make it. Well, I'm glad I made it. It was a little bit of work. 3 videos worth. But I'll tell you what. It's ass kicking good. Good, yummy, delicious.
Mm-hmm.
You just pour yourself a cold beer with it. And I can't stop eating it. I'm gonna see the whole video of me chopping on a sandwich. So it was excellent. Like I said, we took the chorizo, we started the grill, we put them on the grill on medium, put them on 10 minutes aside on the 2 links. We did 2 links because it's just 2 people. And got a nice baguette, sliced it, cut it in half, put that on the grill. After I butterflied it, we put it back on the grill. We get a char on the inside. And when we put the bread on there for just a touch, just to warm it up, maybe put just a little touch of color on it. You gotta watch it, don't burn it. You don't want to burn the bread. Anyway, so we did that. So we did that. And you know what? I don't have my microphone. It's over there. So anyway, I don't know how this is going to come out. But anyway, you're going to give me the whole shirt? I don't need the whole shirt. Well, that noise is just to get my microphone. Hello, test. Sorry about that, guys.
So now do a quick repeat.
Anyway, started the grill.
I think they heard it because they heard me sitting here yesterday.
Started the grill, put it on hot, heat it up, put it on medium. Took the 2 chorizos, links, put them on the grill, 10 minutes aside. And what I did is I just poked them with a knife just to put a couple of holes in them, let some of the juice out so they don't explode. 10 minutes aside, they got nice and brown. I took them and I slit them. Don't cut it all the way. Butterfly them, put them back on the grill. In the meantime, I came in. I took my baguette, I slit it, cut it in half, cut the 2 ends off, brought it back outside, butterflied it, put it up back on, put the bread on the grill, got a little color on it. Don't burn it. Brought them in, took the bread, I put the chimichurri on it, put a nice layer of chimichurri, took the salsa, put some salsa on there, took the chorizo, took the chorizo, laid that on there, put the cap on there, squished it down a little bit so it'll fit in your mouth. Take a bite. Excellent. Thank you, Argentina, for this. And I hope you try some of my recipes. Subscribe. I'm pretty sure that, I don't know if you're subscribed or not, but please subscribe. And out there in Argentina, put it out there to all your friends, relatives, cousins, even people you don't know. Say, hey, go on YouTube, watch the drunken video, and subscribe to his food because it's really good. And I appreciate you sending me this. Thank you so much. And enjoy the 3 videos. There's 3 parts to the videos. Part 1 is chimichurri. Part 2 is salsa. Part 3 is making of the sandwich itself, which is the choripan sandwich. Okay? So, come on back. I love you. Shut up, Mixie. Mixie saying goodbye. And I'll see you on the next one. Love ya. Bye. Okay. Just finished the sandwiches. I gotta say that I'm an old guy. I'm like 70 years old. This is unique. I have never, ever had anything like this. And it is like really good. I will tell you that you have to make this and try it. You know, I gave you the 3 pots how to make it. Make them. You don't have to do it in 3 days. You can make it. the other two things, it's nice to have it in the refrigerator for 24 hours so it gets all the chimichurri and the salsa because it blends together a little bit better. So anyway, make it because both the drunken Portuguese and the drunken Portuguese sister, the female drunken Portuguese, both gave it a double thumbs up on this recipe. And like I'm planning a trip to Argentina because this is the kind of food they got. Oh,
I want more.
We're both dancing on this one, baby. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make it. Make these sandwiches. They're good.
Yeah.
All right. I love you guys. Come on back. I don't know what I'm going to make the next one, but this one was pretty special. I got to tell you, it just made me feel good that somebody actually gave me this recipe thing to make it. So shut the fuck up.
Watch it.
Shut up.
I'm your elder.
Oh. Okay, I'm gonna go fight with my older sister. All right, love you, bye.